So here's a Crane 1-gallon cool mist humidifier. It's worked pretty well for about 7 years or so. But now when we go to turn it on, it makes this sound and doesn't produce the mist that it should. So now we unplug it and dump out the water. Flipping it over, there are 4 screws you need to undo. Then you can lift it off. So now if you blow it out with some compressed air, you can blow out that dust. And try not to spin it around like I just did. So you can remove the fan by taking off these 2 screws and turning it around. There's a sticker here which I peeled off to add some oil. So I'm going to try out some bicycle chain oil here and put it into the fan. I'm just going to spin it around, see if it will spin more smoothly. So now closing it up and tightening the 4 screws. Okay, then after you put it all together, tighten the screws and go plug it in to see what happens. Turn it on. Listen to that. Super quiet now. And look at all that steam coming out. Look at all that mist coming out. So, victory! It is now functioning again.